Essential tools for successful affiliate marketing. Following are the top 3 essential tools for a successful affiliate marketing business. Create your own website. Your own website is the basic tool which is essential for successful affiliate marketing. If you want to make a good start in this field, you must build an impressive, credible, and professional-looking website. If you are able to create a website successfully and it is appreciated by the users, then it is the sign for a successful affiliate marketing career for you. You must create a site which will fulfill the requirements of almost all visitors, and all of your prospects may be inspired by it. A user-friendly site will promote the user to visit the links to the products and services that are advertised on the site. This will give you sales. An important point to note is that the majority of the visitors do not come online to buy something. The reason of using the internet is to find some information, or they may be looking for entertainment purposes. So all you need to do is just fill your website with this kind of stuff to gain the traffic. It is fact that when people visit your website, they will click on the links of your affiliate products. So it will help to increase your sales. You should provide your own original content on your website. You can put some interesting articles there. If you provide good stuff, it will be liked by your visitors. If you add interesting content, then your website can become very popular and your search engine rating will also be improved. Give incentives to your visitors. Competition today is very tough among affiliates on the internet. If you want to get the major share of your target market, then you should always keep an eye on your competitor. You should use every possible technique to make your users visit your site regularly. You should also strive to make it easier for your visitors to click the links and take a look at the products and services that you are offering. Creating an opt-in email list is a good method to get prospects. You should provide newsletter to your users and offer them attractive incentives. This is the ideal way to convince them to subscribe to the newsletters. Offering free software or ebooks to attract the users to your website is always a good idea. Link popularity. If you want to run a successful website, then you must remember the fact that your success is hidden in driving more traffic to your website. It is necessary in order to achieve a good income. To achieve this goal, your website must be rated high in search engines. Link popularity is an important factor which is used to determine search engine rankings. To get the high rankings, you must try to enhance your link popularity. Link popularity simply means how popular your website link is. For example, tinyurl.com is a very popular website link. Try to choose a website name that is short, interesting, easy to remember name that is related to your business. This will help to increase your link popularity. Conclusion. Above are the 3 basic tools for you to increase your sales in the field of affiliate marketing. There are still many other methods and tricks that can be used to maximize your earnings as an affiliate marketer, but these are the basic tools. Make your own website. Your website must be easy to use and informative. It should deliver what people are looking for. Try to attract people by offering them free incentives. Try different methods to increase your link popularity to achieve a high ranking in the search engines. Use a simple, easy, and interesting name for your website. Long and difficult names are hard to remember, so try to avoid them.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.